PT with Malcolm. Let me share today the correct approach to solve reading and writing fill in the blanks in PT. If you are new to our channel, make sure you save it and subscribe to us. We share videos regularly related to PT, IELTS, NAATI CCL as well as LanguageCert, which is the LanguageCert Academic test. All tests are accepted for all different types of visas of Australia, mainly all the primarily accepted visas. Let's solve this one now. You also solve with me. The first sentence is, classic novels often dash insights into human nature. Now we need to understand that whenever there's a word like into after the blank, we need to choose a collocation which is related and which can fit with the word into. These are called preposition based collocations. Let's see the options quickly. Conceal, fabricate, provide, neglect. Now obviously this is about human nature. So we also have to understand the tone. Is it something positive or negative? Obviously it is something positive. Insights means knowledge, like in-depth knowledge. Now conceal means to hide, negative word. Fabricate again means it is sounding negative and it means to manipulate, to change things. Provide and neglect. Neglect obviously means to disregard, that is also negative. So the only positive option left is provide, and provide insights into is a collocation. So insights means knowledge and provide knowledge or in-depth knowledge into something. So the correct answer for the first one will be provide. Into human nature that dash relevant across centuries. Now after that, whenever you have a blank, which is a verb means like an action, you have to choose the correct subject from the previous sentence before that, from the previous phrase before that. Now we have to understand which is the main subject. Is it insights? Is it human nature? Is it novels? Which one do you think, guys? Let me tell you the correct answer. Whenever there is something with into, of, such words like a noun phrase, like 3-4 words together with the word of, in or into, the word before the preposition is the main subject. Preposition means in, into, to, of, for, by. And that word is insights. Is it singular or plural? It is plural. Plural means ending with S, multiple. Whenever the noun is plural, the verb also will be plural. And plural verbs don't end with S. So just remember, if the noun ends with S, the verb will end without S. Opposite. Insights, without S, the verb is remain, without S. So the correct answer is option number 2, remain. So that is how you apply the rules of subject-verb agreement. If the noun ends with S, the verb will end without S. If the noun ends without S, the verb will end with S if it is in the present tense. Let's continue. Authors who dash universal themes. Now, which is the main subject before the blank? Authors or who? Main subject means the main noun, and that is authors. Is it singular or plural? It is plural, ending with S. I just explained the rule. If the noun ends with S, the verb will end without S. So obviously the answer again will be which option? Option number 2, explore. If these works dash solely through a modern lens. Now here the main subject before the blank is works. Singular or plural? Plural. We have to see the options. Interpreting, interpret, are interpreted or interpreted. Now there is a thing called active voice and passive voice. Active voice means you are the doer of the action. That is why active voice, like I am eating food. Passive means you are the receiver. The same sentence will be food is being eaten by me. Now, what is a trick to identify whether a sentence is an active voice or passive voice? Very simple. Just 2 words you have to look for in a sentence. One is the word by and the other is the word through. Like food is being eaten by me. Food is being eaten through a pipe, for example. So in this sentence also you have the word through. Instantly you can guess the answer will be in passive voice. Passive voice has a quality that the verb has to be preceded with a helping verb like is, are, was, were. There is only one option, and that is option number 3, are interpreted. Why did I choose that? Because of the word through. So remember, if it's a sentence having by or through, you have to choose a verb with a helping verb like is, was, are, were. The correct answer is are interpreted. If these works are interpreted solely means only, through a modern lens, readers may dash their historical significance. Now, without looking at the options, you just need to understand using your common sense. Means if these works are looked upon only through a modern perspective, lens means what? like a layer, a perspective, like a film. Readers may lose their historical significance. Basically, you don't realize things about your past. So which word is a negative word out of these options? Cherish, overlook, misunderstand, retain. Cherish and retain are positive words you can instantly eliminate. Overlook, misunderstand. But it is about the significance, and that is also historical significance. So the best option is overlook. Overlook means you tend to ignore or miss out by mistake. So the correct answer should be overlook. So this is how you solve reading blanks. There is not one rule which applies, but basically it is a combination of the process of elimination plus understanding the tone, positive or negative, plus applying the rules of grammar, plus understanding the tense like present, future, past, and also understanding the voice, active voice or passive voice. There are many such rules which we cover regularly in our grammar classes. Every week we try to conduct a couple of grammar classes along with the regular classes for speaking, writing, reading and listening for PT. If you also want to be a part of our academy, of our institute, to clear your PT in your first attempt, make sure you visit our website oneaustraliagroup.com. You'll really have fun studying with us in our classes, and we'll make sure that you get your desired score in the first attempt. To book a trial class, you can visit our website oneaustraliagroup.com. And you can also contact us. Our numbers are mentioned in the comment section. Good luck. I'm Malcolm.